first po, Adalbert Aprigonda from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with his film, Gun on Point.
Hello, ayan. Naka-pressure ba muna po? Hello po, ako po si Adalbert Aprigonda. Adel na lang po, director, writer and editor of Dan on Point. So, Dan on Point basically is a story about unfulfilled dreams, boundless love, and forgiving oneself. Ayan, so it's about mother and son na ballet dancer, ballerina, and making this film, I'm very enthusiastic and optimistic for this festival, and I hope na ma-edit siya ng maganda, and I'm very optimistic din naman na magiging maayos po yung kalalabasan. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po, Pure Good Cine Panalo, sa mga producers po and mga everyone a part ng festival. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Adalbert. Next, we have Alan M. Balance Jr. from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with his film Cancer Din Ang Zodiac Sign Mo.
Hello everyone, my name is Alan Balance. I'm the writer and the director of the film Cancer Din Ang Zodiac Sign Mo. So, the film talks about resilience, friendship, struggles, hopes, and lives of people living with cancer. And I'm proud to say that we did cast real cancer patients for the film. So I'm very excited to share this to everyone and to spark and bring hope to every cancer patient and to bring awareness to every woman to check on themselves and prioritize health after. Thank you so much. Pure Gold Cine Panalo.
Next, we have Angel Alison Cruz from University of Santo Tomas, Tito Daddy.
Hello po, good afternoon. I am Angel Alison Cruz from University of Santo Tomas. And I am the director for Tito Daddy. It is the story of Yumi, who is a lost 24 years old, who navigated her home after the case of Bagyong Ondoy, and also had a strained relationship with her parents, all while looking for her old videotape that would revive her old dreams as a filmmaker. So basically, it's about the story of some things that you just can't control and on how you will deal with it from your before to who you are now to the present. So thank you so much.
Now we have Romino Dolin from University of Eastern Philippines for Cine Cine.
Good afternoon po everyone. I'm Romino Dolin, the director of Cine Cine, and galing po kami ng Northern Summer po. Recently, the University of Eastern Philippines, at yung film po namin is tungkol po sa isang lumang sinihan na patuloy po namin nakahanap mga tao na niniranon sa lugar na yun. Dito po makakarinig po siguro dito yung mga batang 90s. So, awan po, napakaganda po ng story natin.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Marlon Richie Holihole, the producer of Cine Cine. Cine Cine serves as a beacon of hope na kaya rin ng mga young filmmakers na ipanalo muli ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Next, we have Kenneth Flores from Far Eastern University for 1-2 Strike.
Hello po. Good afternoon po everyone. Ako po si Kenneth Flores, the writer and director of 1-2 Strike. So this film is a very simple story of friendship and teamwork inside a sepak takraw sports team. So yun, meron silang pamarating na CTV. Pinagsama sila ng coach nila, pero tatlo silang strikers. So ayun, dito sa film na to, dito na discover ko ano ba talaga true meaning ng friendship, kung ang mas nagmamatter ba sa dulo, yung pagkapanalo, pagkatalo ba nila, or friendship. Ayan naman po, and maraming salamat po. Pure God sa kapanalo.
We have Austin Ray R. Fresnido from Faith Colleges for Sa Susunod Sisikat si Susan.
Hello po, I am Austin Ray, the director of Sa Susunod Sisikat si Susan, and together with me is Adrian Balcarito, and I am assistant director of. So our film is all about a mother. So our film Sa Susunod Sisikat si Susan tells a story about a mother who's questioning whether she has what it takes to finally reach her dreams when all she did was to become a mother. And then,
yeah, and I think more than yung production ng film, more than highlighting the women or the Filipino moms, we're also grateful to for Pure Gold Cinepanado for giving the Filipino youths the platform and the opportunity to showcase our passion para, kaya nabagitin nila, para buhayin ang sining ng pelikula dito sa Pilipinas. And we're just thankful for the opportunity that was given to us. Thank you.
Clyde Quizon Gamalin from University of the Philippines for Champ Dream.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Clyde, writer and director of Project Champ Dream. Champ Dream is a story about a success story of a farmer's daughter. It talks about second chances, hope, courage, and in the belief that the power of education to change our lives. Something interesting about this film is this is the only project produced and made from Mindanao. So I think what this project could offer is yung sensibilities of a Mindanao filmmaker. I'm so excited to share the landscapes of my province. Hopefully come March for the festival. Thank you.
Up next, one of our student filmmakers unfortunately couldn't make it with us today due to personal circumstances. But he is a regional filmmaker. We have Bjorn M. Herrera from Central Philippine University with his film Nanay's Frankenstein. Next, we have Maria Eleanor P. Javier from University of the Philippines, Visayas, with her film Mother at 60.
Hello everyone, I am Eleanor Javier. I am the director of Mother at 60, and something about this film is that it is a very simple story and it talks about family, it talks about restorations of relationships. This is all about people in the family who are trying to work on their relationships, who tried and who wants to try.
Hello everyone, I'm Sophia Lata, the associate producer of Mother at 60, and we are extremely grateful for the opportunity to showcase the unspoken strained relationship of a mother and daughter, and we hope that this brings the Filipino community an inspirational film to watch. And we're extremely grateful for Pure Gold for giving us the opportunity to bring Mother at 60 to life.
For our next director, we have May Malaya from the University of the Philippines with her film Sisenta, represented by her producer Ivan Gentolizo.
Yan. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ivan Gentolizo, co-writer and co-producer ng Sisenta, and on behalf of our director, dito po ako para i-represent ang aming film. So, ayun po, ang Sisenta ay tungkol sa isang magandang babae, kay Cora, na kaka-turn pa lang niya ng 60-year-old and she just obtained her senior citizen card. And ang pelikula po namin ay tungkol sa kanyang kwento sa kung paano na ina-navigate ang buhay niya ngayong kaka-turn niya ng 60. And as well, it tells the story on how she rekindles a romance from the past. So ayun po, sana po abangan niyo po ito sa Pure Gold Cinepanalo Film Festival. So maraming salamat.
Ira Corinne Esquera Malik from University of Caloocan City with her film Sampay.
everyone. I am Ira Hedin. I am the director of Sampay. Ang kwentong Sampay po ay tungkol sa isang batang sisang. Isa siyang batang bakla na inaakala niya na ang mga pambabaeng damit ang magdidikta sa kanyang kasalian. So, as you can see here in our poster, our film is very heartwarming, very childish, but very fun to watch. And so, yeah, kung gusto niyo pong makapanood ng isang pelikulang tatago sa puso, inanyayahan ko po kayo na manood ng Sampay. Yeah, thank you for the opportunity, Purgold, and salamat po sa pagdala. Thank you!
Next, we have Naya Nicole Mendoza from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with Timepurse.
Hello everyone, I'm Naya Mendoza from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Timepurse will be witnessed through the eyes of a 7-year-old girl who witnesses her older sister go through womanhood. I think this film aims to share that even though women are often limited by societal expectations, we can still make films and we can still share stories about womanhood. Thank you so much, Pure Gold Cinepanalo, for this opportunity to more women in filmmaking. Thank you so much.
Next, we have Van Marco B. Mola Cruz from Colegio de San Juan de Letran with Uwian.
Hello po. My name is Van Marco Mola Cruz and I'm from Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Ang Uwian po is about a woman na nakadevelop ng courting obsession after mawala yung anak niya. And this film is an inquiry into how complex human emotion can be in terms of accepting things. So, yun lang po. And lastly, I would like to thank Justin Pistano for this poster po. Yun lang.
Jadrian Morales, University of the Philippines with Let's Go Somewhere Else.
Hello, I'm si Jadrian Morales, writer and director of Let's Go Somewhere Else. Isa itong kwento tungkol sa dalawang high school best friends, former high school best friends, na magtatagpo after 5 years, isang gabi, sa kalagitnaan ng final season. Isa itong kwento tungkol sa pagkakaibigan, isa itong kwento tungkol sa pains from the past, isa itong kwento tungkol sa nostalgia. Ayun, samahan po natin si Gio at Ethan and let them take you somewhere else in Cinepanalo Film Festival. Maraming salamat.
Next, we have Regine Narciso from Kalumhasaan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo with Papunta Ka Pa Lang, Nakabounce Na Ako.
Hello everyone, I'm Regine Narciso, but you can call me Reg. And the title of our film, it draws inspiration from the classic line na lagi natin naririnig sa mga matatanda, which is, papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. But, nilagyan lang namin siya ng modern twist. We incorporated the Gen Z slang bounce, which means to leave or exit. Ayun po. And this film, it tells a story about the unexpected friendship of Generation Z and elderly. And this is Lottie and Lola Belly. Lola Belly is her reclusive elderly neighbor. And while it highlights the generational gap, this film will also show that true friendship knows no age. Thank you.
Next, Alexi Nicole Pardo from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with Checkmate.
Hi everyone, I'm so glad to be here. I am Alexi, the director of Checkmate. So, to share some of the background of our film Checkmate revolves around the life of Uno, a young chess prodigy who gives up to play the game that he loves the most just to help pay for his dad's illness. So, this breaks their bond, leaving them both hurt and distant from each other. So, years later, a tough situation forces them to confront their past and eventually each other. So this film revolves around the themes of forgiveness and acceptance within family relationships. I just want to share that I'm very grateful for We're going to Cine Panalo because this is my first time competing for short film contest. So, God bless everyone.
Keith Earl B. Rebano, University of the Philippines, Visayas for Dagaura.
Hello everyone, I'm Keith Earl Rebano, and our film is Dagaura, which is an Aklan term for clouds. So, galing po ako ng Aklan, which is a province na walang sinihan. So, I'm really grateful for this opportunity na binigay ng Pure Gold. And Dagaura is an exploration of grief, what is grief all about, and it will also show that people grieve in different ways, and it will also show that it's okay to grieve sometimes, it's okay to feel sad, it's okay to actually feel sad that you lose someone.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanna de Monteverde. I'm the producer for Dagaura, and this is my second year in Cine Panalo, but this time I'm here as a producer. So I hope everyone will look forward to our film because I know that our film will touch a lot of hearts, and I hope that one of those hearts will be yours. Thank you so much.
John Lester Rimorin from University of the Philippines with Japan Surplus.
Konnichiwa po. Magandang umaga po hapon po, sir. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Lester Rimorin, writer-director ng Japan Surplus. At pinapakilala ko po sa inyo ang Japan Surplus. Tungkol po siya sa isang binatang apo na nanirahan sa Pilipinas at may obligasyon na alagaan or i-continue yung legacy ng kanyang father, na which is yung Japan Surplus. At habang ay inalagaan sa proseso ng pag-aalaga ng Japan Surplus ay nakilala niyo ang isang binatang Pilipino, at doon po magkakaroon sila ng cultural exchange. At bilang Pilipino po, kailangan din natin bilang Pilipino na dumaan sa globalisasyon at sa maraming tutulong pinapasa sa atin, kailangan po natin malaman kung saan ba tayo nanggaling kahit nagkahalo-halo na po yung mga cultural na pinapasa po sa atin. So, inanyayahan ko po kayo, lalo na sa mga mahilig sa mga alikanik at mga mahilig pumunta sa mga vintage store, Japan Surplus, para isalba, tulungan natin si Takumi, uminin natin na isalba ang kanyang Japan Surplus. Maraming salamat po.
Jose Andy Sales from the University of San Carlos for G.
Good afternoon everyone. Ako nga po pala si Jose Andy Sales. I am the director of G, and I'm from the University of San Carlos, Cebu. So my film is about a PCNet gamer who gets scouted for an esports tournament, but he must convince his disapproving father that his passion in gaming could pave a way to a brighter future. So it's about dreams, perseverance, and acceptance. And I'm inviting you to watch this film kasi sa mga mahilig sa gaming because it's an esports film, and pinaghandaan po namin yung production design dito, and it has a mix of 3D animation. Kaya, yan po. Thank you.
Mark Joseph Sanchez from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with our one and only Baboy.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Ako po si Mark Joseph Sanchez, or MJ. Our one and only Baboy po ay mag-explore sa themes ng love, loss, and finding yourself again along the way. You can expect our film to be something silent yet, a film that will also speak volumes. So, iikot po yung storya sa isang araw na journey ni Buddy na pagbebenta sa kanilang nag-iisang anak na si Baby. Isa po siyang biig. Wala po silang kakayahang magkaroon ng anak dahil si Buddy po ay baog. And si Buddy po ay may lung cancer. So, napagdesisyonan niya pong ibenta si Baby, gawa ng kailangan niya po ng pambili ng kanyang gamot. Dito po sa isang araw na journey ni Buddy, ma-rekindle yung matagal nang nawala ng long lost sense of fatherhood sa kanya. And yun lamang po. And inaan niya ako pong panoorin ang aming pelikula. Maraming salamat po.
Aubrey Soriano from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with si Nadia at ang kanyang mga puro-puro.
Hi! Sobrang excited naman yan.
Hello po, magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Aubrey Soriano, ang director and writer ng si Nadia at ang kanyang mga kuro-kuro. So basically, si Nadia at ang kanyang mga kuro-kuro is about Nadia, who is a queer student journalist who hold very strong values that will maging isa sa parang barrier niya sa journey niya in her youth, on her personal relationship, on the external and the internal factors. And it will revolve around Nadia will be given a task by her coach sa kanilang student publication. And as she is deciding what topic she should write about, she will come up with a very drastic decision. And for trivia, kung gusto niya lang naman. This is my directorial so very excited and nag-take the risk. And si Nadia at ang kanyang kuro-kuro is very highly influenced by Fleabag. Sobrang random ang box na to. Thank you.
Jasper Tan from Far Eastern University with Sapag Bunga.
Okay, hi. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Jasper Tan, writer-director ng Sapag Bunga. So, ang Sapag Bunga, tungkol lang po siya sa isang matandang si Ellie. So, ina-isolate niya ang sarili niya and ang tanging inaalala nila kay mga bulaklak niya. So, gigising siya, matutulog siya, mga bulaklak niya lang inaalala niya. Eventually, masisira itong routine na to nang dumating ang araw na may batang pumipita sa kanyang hardin. So, gawa ng batang to, mapipilitan siya kung saan ulit ang sarili niya sa mundo. Ayun naman po. Maraming salamat.
Johan Tejero from University of San Carlos, Taog Pindi.
Hello, my buntag sa tanan. I'm from Cebu. My name is Johannes Tejero and I am the writer-director of Taog Pindi. So this is a rom-com short film. It is about Mark and Lexi who find themselves honing their skills in a fighting game in an arcade for an upcoming tournament, and they face a dilemma of who deserves to win between them. So in this short film, we will be featuring it is a collaboration with Ranida Games also. So we'll be featuring two of their games, which is Bayani and Singer. The short film is about really exploring why we like games and how it resonates with us, especially gamers, and how fighting games in this way, how it became as part of the culture of the Philippines. And that is it.
And last but not the least, we have Sean Rafael Verdejo from National University Laguna with De La Cruz 1P.
Hello po, hi. I'm Sean Rafael Verdejo, writer-director of De La Cruz 1P. So, De La Cruz 1P is a story of a grappling na natangkad sa trabaho na tayo siya. And then, susundan natin kung gaano niya kadalas yung application process when it comes sa mga ordinary mga tao ng team. Ayun, De La Cruz 1P.